Hi, how you all doing? Sorry for a day off. I don't tell it's a Sunday and so I didn't upload any vlog. No, the excuse isn't about Sunday or it's a holiday. It's just I was too lazy. Like I just did nothing. I did nothing actually. I just was on YouTube all day. That's it. Then we had some family time in the evening. That's it. And anyways, today I woke up at 9 and I went to collect some groceries from the big basket guy. And then I took a shower. And I'm here. And it's already 12:15. Man, the time's running very fast. We have to work. Let's get to work. So, I have a bunch of things to do. I need to upload a pic in my photography account. I have a photography account. I click pictures. I have lots and lots of pictures, but I just don't upload it. I don't know why. And then and then and then I need to play a game in my PS4. It's just rotting over there. That's it. It's I buy games. I don't play. I don't know why. Okay, I'm not filter rich or something like that. I just want to play, but I don't. I don't know why. And should do that thing too. Yeah, that's it for now. Also, it might be anything. We need to write a timetable for today, and yeah, let's do it. I want a skateboard. But for that, first I need to learn how to do the skateboarding. Yeah, wait, that's a skateboard, and we call doing skateboard. English is weird. So basically, I want a skateboard to skateboard. For that, I should learn how to do skateboard, and for that, I need a skateboard. I want water to water. Even that's right. You water plants, man. I think I forgot something. My PC Griffy account's picture. Yeah, let me upload. I never told you this, right? I even do toy photography. Also, so as I said, I'm gonna upload a picture today. I was going through my pictures which I took them. Uh, so I was going through my pictures and I'm not able to select one. You know, literally these pictures are taken months before, and they're just and then just doing nothing with them. And I'm gonna upload few today. No, not few, just one. And let's make this a habit. I'll upload each one of my pic every day in that photography account, and you can just check it out. I don't want to promote anything in here. So anyway, it's my PCGRPHY underscore. I'll link it in the description, I think. Or else you can just comment and I'll tell you the link. Anything is fine. Yeah. So I have these pictures and I'm really confused. Which one should I upload? Yes. I generally don't edit pictures, but you know, Instagram has that option when you post a picture that like you can increase or decrease the filter thing, like how much filter you need for your picture thing. I just do that sometimes. I even try to avoid that also. I know, not because I feel editing is it's a makeup. That's it. Even humans do wear it, right? So not an issue, but I don't know. I just don't like it, and I think it's a proud thing to say. Let me just upload. I'm done with my jump ropes. And I'm heading to the gym. So we are at our dad's office and we're gonna check out the new gym actually. So speaking of comments, you know, I just understand why comments are important. Like as I am doing, just drop a comment. Anything is fine. Like just give a feedback of how are these vlogs and do I need to improve anything or something like that, or should I cut it short and you know make sweet simple vlogs, or this length is fine. Anything. You know what? Anything. You can just write anything. It's your thing. Even I don't have a habit of commenting, but you know what, that's the only way where we can interact. I mean, yeah, because you know, I just don't want to speak more and bore you because it's already 8 minutes. It's 2:25, and I don't want to. Are these vlogs worth sharing on Instagram and you know just promoting stuff? I don't know. Just drop it in the comments and you know let's discuss it tomorrow. Anyway, that's it for today. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Really, if you made it till here, man, you are awesome. Remember, you are awesome. That's it. Bye boy. No, I just don't want to end it like this. I want to end it how it started. Yes.